very excited, pure joy. I'm very passionate about the game, so I was really excited to hear that we will be hosting some games.
Isang sports coach sa Metro Vancouver ang Pilipinong si Dahara Thompson, na siya rin executive director ng She Plays Sports Society. Malaking bahagi raw sa kanyang buhay ang paglalaro ng soccer.
Yeah, I have been playing soccer since I was 10 years old, and it was actually because I was watching the 1994 World Cup with my dad, and watching those games, something in me when I was 10, I turned to my dad and said, I want to play soccer.
Sa nalalapit na World Cup ngayong summer sa Canada, US at Mexico, si Thompson, panonoorin daw ang mga laro sa big screen sa Fired Up for Football Community Watch Parties sa New Westminster dahil masyado na raw mahal ang mga ticket para sa mga laro.
It's upsetting because, of course, we're really excited that we can host this amazing tournament, but not being able to attend in person is a bit heartbreaking.
Bukod sa mataas na presyo para manood ng tournaments, ang Office of the Parliamentary Budget Officer Miyerkules sinabing nakakahalaga ng higit $1 billion sa taxpayers ang pag-host ng mga laro sa Canada.
The biggest sporting event in the world will come with a hefty price tag. Some of the things that I do see happening that I'm very happy about is renovating many different fields that really needed to be done, and those types of renovations in the city, that's very well needed for sports and recreation. So that's where I see that the tax dollars to go into the city as a benefit, because then we would reap those benefits in the long run.
Ani Thompson, sana makatulong sa turismo at ekonomiya ng Canada ang pag-host ng bansa sa World Cup.
It would help with the economy that way, whether it's with the lasting infrastructure to help with local businesses and tourism.
13 soccer matches ang magaganap sa Vancouver at Toronto sa Hunyo at Hulyo. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.